for a bit of a coffee and Soviet hot dog.
Take me where your river flows. I wanna drive on your open road like the wilderness where we are born, singing whoa. There's an ocean in your eyes, a million stars that paint the sky.
We arrived at the hot spring place. Not sure how does it work here, how much does it cost, and how long we can stay and stuff like this. So we're gonna go and ask. Really looking forward to it.
You and me, let's fly away.
So it's 400 some for an hour, and that's exactly what we're gonna do. We're gonna boil for a bit. Apparently there's a pool that is 50 degrees. I'm not sure I can enter that. I'm much better with cold than I am with super hot water.
Waiting for the sun to rise, rainy days and careless nights. Say you will, don't say goodbye, say it's alright. Throw your caution to the wind, the shelter of my single bed. You can call it Wonderland, we could stay the night.
Where are you going?
You and me, let's fly away somewhere past the Milky Way. Maybe we'll return someday. Don't wake me up, don't wake me up. Riding on an endless wave, freight trains and aeroplanes. Maybe we'll return someday. Don't wake me up till we are home.
It's pretty cool, but yet the river is quite challenging because it's proper ice water. The only reason it's not frozen is because it's running. And upstairs there's a pool of 50 degrees. That thing is mental. Honestly, this place is legit. Really enjoyed the hot springs. I think this is the highest contrast I've ever experienced in like a hot spring place, because that pool was like 50 degrees and the water was as cold as it probably can ever get. Gave a lift to 4 young French guys to the city, which is really cool. Hungry Ray. We already got to the hotel, and actually we're gonna spend 2 nights here because tomorrow we're gonna go for a hike to a very cool lake. Hopefully the weather is gonna be fine, and hopefully our clothing is enough, because that lake is situated on 3,500 meters, so that's pretty high up. Because we are gonna do it the lazy way, we're taking a transfer to the hiking spot, which is like a 14 kilometers really off-road track, the track that the car that we rented won't be able to go on. It's a bit expensive. I think it ends up being like 570 yuan going there and back, which is quite steep for just a 14 kilometer one way, but yeah, it is what it is. Ray won't be able to make it in one day. Initially I thought that I'm gonna try to do it in one day, so it's a 40 kilometer hike in one day with 1.5 kilometer elevation. We're doing it lazy way, which means we'll have more time on the lake, so the swim and also the maybe going to some higher points of the peaks around the lake. That would be an option, but we'll see tomorrow. First things first, get a rest and enjoy the day tomorrow.